Good morning. Democracy Federal Credit Union, previously known as HEU Federal Credit Union, introduced their new name this year to recognize their member-owned structure and their commitment to financial education in the metropolitan area for nearly 80 years. And today we're talking with Patricia Ellis, the credit union's volunteer chairman of the board. Welcome, Mrs. Ellis.
Thank you.
For starters, why did you change the name?
We changed the name because we felt we needed to reflect our structure. And we felt we needed to reflect out to the community our commitment to the community, to financial services, financial freedom for everyone.
And you're offering a wide spectrum of financial services.
Absolutely.
Tell us about some of them.
Okay, we can begin. Number one, most importantly, we can use online banking. We have mobile banking. We offer the traditional credit and debit cards. We offer CDs and individual retirement accounts, home equity loans, mortgages, auto loans, student loans. We also have a full credit counseling service on staff, in-house, every day, available to all of our members free of charge, as well as investment advice.
That's fantastic. Now, how are you able to offer all of these things? And you said some things are free of charge. How are you able to do that?
Well, because we are a not-for-profit, member-owned financial cooperative, all of the income from our products and services goes right back into more products and services, and improvement in those products and services.
So let's get, if we can, let's get a little bit more specific in terms of the credit counseling.
Okay.
So what is it that you do?
Actually, if someone wants to buy a car, look at purchasing a home, we have first-time home buying counseling sessions, there is a lot to that. There are a lot of legal requirements. There are also financial positions that you need to be in order to be successful. Credit counseling sits down one-on-one, confidentially, on site. These are the things that we suggest that you should do. Perhaps you should pay off that credit card. Perhaps you should increase your savings a little bit. Perhaps you need to look at other ways that you're handling your money. And then, if we can't give you that product at the time, come back and see us in 6 or 8 months. And with the credit counselor, we'll keep in touch with that person.
Good.
It's wonderful.
So good.
It really
so if
is.
someone comes in and they're saying, all right, Mrs. Ellis, I really want this loan, and maybe for whatever reason they're unable to get it, you're going to help them get that credit score back up?
Absolutely.
Free of charge?
Absolutely. Absolutely. Yes.
That's good.
Free of charge.
It's almost too good to be true.
No, but it is.
You know,
this is what we do. Yeah.
You mentioned earlier that you're offering all these different locations and making it very easy, the online banking, which, you know, the argument that a lot of people might have and say, I have a commercial banking account because it's convenient. It's convenient. You guys are just as convenient?
Absolutely. We have 3 physical branches here in Southwest Washington, at Silver Hill Road and Pennsylvania Avenue in Prince George's County, and on Leesburg Pike in Falls Church. But we also have access to 50,000 surcharge-free ATMs, and there are 24 shared branches in the metropolitan area where many credit unions offer their services. If you're a member of Democracy, you can go to any of those. So we are very, very accessible.
Yes, you are. And then how are you able to do that? How are you able to offer all of this? And you keep saying free, which I love. How are you able to do all of that?
Well, we do that because we're not pricing our products and services for anything except our members' convenience. Okay? In essence, there are no stockholders in credit unions. Our members are our owners. In fact, you will not even hear the word customer in a credit union because our members are just that. They're member owners. They know that everything we earn is going back into services for them.
So you're invested in their success.
We are invested in their success.
Very good.
We get nothing out of seeing someone go into a financial instrument that is going to be negative to them.
I love that.
If our members are not successful, we are not successful.
All right, on that note, I know a lot of people are really excited because real estate, buying, selling, but that doesn't mean we know what we're doing when it comes to real estate.
Absolutely.
How are you helping people with that?
Our first-time home buyer counseling sessions are very, very well attended. We have, most recently in the last 6 months, we've been at the Washington Convention Center, for instance, and we offer a walkthrough, all of the legal requirements, all of the financial requirements. These are the forms. This is what HUD would require. This is what the actual rates for your mortgage will mean for you in the long run. These are the options that you have. So it's an educational service. It's a service that's very much needed in the community.
It's so needed because we all
Very
want the
much.
real estate, and again, we don't
Absolutely.
really know. And before we let you go, you're doing things for students. You have, what is this? Well, actually students and not just students.
Absolutely.
The reality.
We have reality fairs. We actually give them play money, and we make them create a budget. This is what you need to live on. This is for your car. This is for your gas. This is for your insurance. This is for your groceries. And this is for something that you may want to do you can't afford right now.
Okay.
And
That's good.
It's very, very hands-on, and the young people especially get a great deal out of it. The other thing is we have a branch inside Woodson Senior High School in Northeast Washington, and the students run the branch.
Very good.
We train them, of course, faculty oversight. And so they get in on the ground floor very, very young
Very
on
smart.
credit and how important it is to have good credit.
Mrs. Ellis, this is wonderful. I love what you guys are doing over there. Congratulations on the name change.
Thank you.
And keep doing what you do, and I can't wait to see you back here.
Thank you so much.
We'll have more Let's Talk Live coming up right after this.